Hi, welcome back to Dr. Zahid Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 3.4, zeros of polynomial functions. Now, let me tell you two English words you have to remember. One is factor, which I already told you in other exercises. Next one is called solution, right? Factor and solution is what? Suppose I give a quadratic equation. For example, I give x square plus 0x plus 3. You go to the calculator and you go mod 5, 3, right? And then you give a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 3. Then you will get two answers, x1 equals, x2 equals, right? So this x1, this x2 are called what? Solutions. Are called what? Solutions, right? So the what you are getting in the calculator is called solution, or you can also say another word, zeros. Both are same words, keep in your, both are same meaning, okay? Solution and zeros. Then the factor, suppose you get x1 is equal to 2. You write x minus 2, this is called factor. Suppose you get x1 is equal to minus 1, you will write what? X plus 1. So this is called factor. Factor and zeros. Now we are going to do exercise problems in this 3.4. So the first question is find the rational zeros. What is the question? Rational zeros of f of x equals, what is the power here? It is x power 4 minus x power 3 plus x square minus 3x minus 6. Before going to this one, I will tell you some calculator tricks. If it is power 4, we cannot solve by calculator. Keep in your mind, we cannot. If it is x power 3, we can get the answer by roots in the calculator, right? We can get the answer, that means what? The roots in the calculator. But x power 2, you can use directly calculator, no need of steps. But x power 3, this is only for checking. Keep in your mind, not to write the answer directly. X square, you can write directly. X cube, you cannot write directly. X power 4 is not available in the calculator. Okay, teacher, where is x square available? Which is mod 5, 3. Where is x cube is available? Which is mod 5 and 4. Keep in your mind. So find the rational zeros they are asking. First thing is what? X power 4 is given. So we don't know what type of answer we are going to get it. So for this purpose, I'll tell you a small shortcut. Keep in your mind. Please type this equation in the calculator. What do you mean by I'm saying? Type this equation in the calculator. How to type, teacher, this equation in the calculator? This x you need to type. Where is x? Alpha. There is alpha. Can you see that? Alpha, pink color, right? Alpha, and then press x, which is the bracket. You can see alpha goes, right? So this is your x. If you press this one, you will get x. What are the things you'll get? Type x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus 3x minus 6. Type this in the calculator. And then press the key or button. You can say calc. Can you see the key calc? Yes. Press the key calc. And then press, if you press calc, it will ask the question mark x equals question mark. Just give x equals 1. What is the answer you are getting? If you put x equals 1, you are getting minus 8. So if you are getting minus 8, then this is not the 0. Keep in your mind. So when I should choose as a 0, teacher? If you get the answer as 0, then this is called zeros or solution, right? And then again press calc. Then press x is equal to minus 1. Now what is the answer you are getting? You are getting 0. It means this is called a solution. Another word for solution is what? Zeros. Keep in your mind. Another word for solution is what? Zeros. So this is a solution. So how many times have to do this, teacher? No problem. You try plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3. Maximum you are 0, 0, 1 students. You will get one answer will be 0 in between these values. Okay, right. So we got x equals minus 1. Now I'm going for synthetic division. Okay, everybody. So let's go for synthetic division. Right. So what you need to do? Synthetic division. How to do synthetic division? So you have x power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus 3x minus 6. First you check whether everything is in order. Order in the sense what? Tartib in Arabic. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is 0? X power 0. Okay, right. So now write the coefficient 1, minus 1, 1, minus 3 and minus 6. Clear, everybody? Right. Now we got the answer x equals minus 1, right? So just write x equals minus 1 here. So we got it already. The answer is 0 coming. So definitely your last column must come 0. Keep in your mind. Otherwise you made a mistake. So take this one. This side you are going to do multiply. This side you are going to do what? Multiply. And this side you are going to do plus. Keep in your mind. Okay, everybody? Right. So 1 times 1 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 1 is what? Plus 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 times minus 1 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 is what? Minus 6. Minus 6 times minus 1 is what? Plus 6. So we are getting 0. Right? So this is power 4. So I started with x power 4. I divided by 1x. So my resulting answer will be what? X cube. So what I'm going to do? This one start from x cube. 1x cube minus 2x square. This is 2x square plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Right? Now go to the calculator. Mode 5 and then 4. When you go to the calculator mode 5, 4, the calculator will ask you A equals, B equals, C equals and D equals. Check 3, 2, 1, 0. So coefficients you take A equals 1, B equals negative 2, C equals 3 and D equals negative 6. If you give in the calculator will give you x1 equals positive 2, x2 is equal to square root of 3i, x3 is equal to negative 3i. Is it okay? Right. But you should not write the answer directly because you are supposed to write the answer directly only for power 2, not for power 3. So what I should do, teacher? Take this real root and go again synthetic division. So let's start the synthetic division again. Okay. So for which equation I should start? For this equation. I'll write the equation again. X cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 6. Right. So let's start with the coefficients, which is 1, minus 2, 3, minus 6. Now which one? The positive root, which is 2. Not positive, real root you can say. 2. Negative root also you can take. Why don't you take this root? Because you will make mistakes when you take complex roots. Keep in your mind. So this is 1. 1 times 2 is what? 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. 0 times 2 is what? 0. Then add. I told you this side is what? Multiply. Magas. And this side it is what? Plus, plus, plus. Okay. The last you must get 0. Keep in your mind because we took the answer from the calculator. So 3 times 2 is what? Which is 0. So you are getting 0. Now I started with x cube. I divide by 1x. So my output is what? X square. Output means what? The answer. So I have to start this one what? X square. 1x square plus 0x plus 3 equal to what? 0. Now you can use the calculator directly. Okay. Use the mode 5 and then 3. When I use mode 5, 3, the calculator will ask you A equals, B equals, C equals. A equals what? 1. B equals what? 0. And C equals what? 3. If you give in the calculator, you will get root 3i and minus root 3i. Always complex roots occurs in what? Pairs. Right. X equals. So finally, we got 4 answers. We got it. So 4 answers means we call it as solution. Another word is what? Zeros. Clear everybody? Right. What are the answer we got? First one, I got minus 1. The next I got what? Plus 2. After that I got what? Root 3i. The last one is what? Minus root 3i. There is a minus here. Minus root 3i. So I got 4 answers. Clear? Now look at your answers everybody. So this is a real one. This is a real one. This is what? Complex root, right? And this is what? Complex root. What is the question? The question is find the rational zeros. Find what? Rational zeros. So complex numbers are not rational. So therefore your answer is rational zeros are, okay, minus 1 and 2. Clear all of you? Clear? These are all rational zeros. Okay everybody? Right. So again I'm telling very clearly, listen carefully, power 4. That is why I don't know where to start the synthetic division. I just type in the calculator and I'm trying. This is called trial and error. This used to call trial. So and then when you go to the shop, if you want to test some dresses, right? Your size is for example L and you want to try. Maybe the L size is so big, right? Then we try. That is called trial. So in this way we are trying what? Putting x is equal to 1. Are we getting 0? No. And then putting x equals minus 1, I'm getting 0. So taking this and I start the synthetic division. And then it has become what? Power 3. For power 3 also you must use synthetic division. So again I started synthetic division. For that I use mode 5 4. Teacher, can I use the same method? Type this equation, I can check? Yes, you can also check like that by putting 1 2 3 like that. Right. So in this way the first question is over. The next question is zeros are given and you are supposed to find what? Polynomial. Okay, right. What is given here? Polynomial is given. What is polynomial? This is called polynomial. This is called what? Polynomial. So polynomial is given and you calculated 0. Now zeros are given. They are asking the polynomial. Okay, everybody? Right. Yes, what is the question? Find the fourth degree polynomial. What do you mean by fourth degree polynomial? X power 4. That is fourth degree polynomial. With the real coefficients minus 1, plus minus 1 and 3i or zeros. So what is given? Solution is given. Solution, other word is what? Zeros I said. What are the things given? Minus 1 and then 3i. Look here, they are asking power 4. Power 4 means we need how many solutions? 4 solutions. But how many solutions are there? 3 solutions are there. So 3 solutions not enough to find the fourth degree polynomial, which is x power 4. I already told you complex number and irrational roots comes in pairs. Pairs means what? Together. Okay. So plus 3i, another root is what? Minus 3i, another solution. Right? Yes. Now we are going to write factors. Why? Because I want to write a polynomial equation. If minus 1 is the solution, what is the factor? X plus 1. If minus 1 is the solution, what is the factor? X plus 1. If 3i is the solution, what is the factor? X minus 3i. If minus 3i is the solution, what is the factor? X plus 3i. Clear, everybody? Clear, all of you? Right. Now what I'm going to do? I am going to write the polynomial. Clear, everybody? Right. How? Just multiplying. Very simple. First I will multiply this 2. Then after that I'll multiply this 2. X plus 1 multiply x plus 1. This equals x into x, x square, x into 1, it is x, 1 into x, x, 1 into 1, 1. This equals x square plus x plus 2x plus 1. So this is finish, right? Next I'm going to multiply this 2. What are this 2? This is x minus 3i and x plus 3i. Okay. So slowly multiply x into x, x square. X into 3i, 3ix. X into this minus 3ix. Now very carefully do. Okay. So you are doing what? Minus 3i multiply plus 3i. Take your calculator, all of you. Take your calculator. Please press the mode. You press mode. And then press number 2. Press number 2, that is complex mode. Then type minus 3i with bracket. Type plus 3i with the bracket. Bracket malum, this is bracket. Okay. Yes. If you type it, you will get the answer plus 9. This 3x gets cancelled. So x square plus 9 is your answer for the next product. And this is the answer for the first product. So what are the things you got? This is x square plus 2x plus 1. Clear, everybody? Right. And this is what? X square plus 9 is your answer. Now I have to slowly multiply. Then I will get what? Fourth degree polynomial x power 4. Slowly multiply x square, x power 4. X square into 9, 9x square. 2x into x, which is 2x power 3. 2x into 9, which is 18x. 1 into x square, right? 1 into 9 is 9. Now we have to arrange it. So this equals, right, x power 4, right? X cube, there is only 1. So which is 2x cube. X square, here one term and here one term. So which is 10x square. And x term, there is only one term, 18x. 18x number term, there is only one, plus 9. So this is your final answer. Clear? Right. Okay, this is your final answer. Sorry. This is your final answer. Okay, this is called what? Fourth degree polynomial. Right. You want me to write the answer here? X power 4, f of x, the fourth degree polynomial, f of x equals x power 4 to x cube plus 10x square plus 18x plus 9. So this is a fourth degree polynomial. Okay. Yes. Right, finish. Now let's go to the next question. Write the polynomial g of x as a now it is given, polynomial is given. They are asking what? Zeros and product of linear factors, right? So what is given the equation? The equation is given is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 5. X cube means so easy, no need for trial. Just go to mode 5 and then 4. If you go to mode 5 and 4, you will get A, B, C, D. What is A? Mu'amal X. Check first 3, 2, 1, 0. If anything is missing, just put 0. How it is 0, teacher? X power 0. So this is coefficient 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5. If you give this one, the answer you will get 3 answers. X1 equals minus 1, x2 equals 2 plus I, and x3 equals 2 minus I. I told you complex roots occurs in pairs. Pairs means together. Right. Now we get what? 3 answers we got it. Don't take this complex roots. Take the real one. Okay. So just we go for now synthetic division. So let's start the synthetic division. Right. Yes. So what is the thing? Coefficient 1 minus 3, 1, 5. And take this answer. X1 is equal to minus 1 here. Right. So take 1. The last column must be 0. Keep in your mind. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So you get what? Minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 is what? Plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 into negative 1 is what? Negative 5. So which is equal to 0. I started with x cube. I divide by 1x. What is my answer? X square. So start with x square. So your final answer will be what? 1x square. Okay. 1x square. And then minus 4x. And then this one plus 5 equal to 0. Now we have come to what? Power 2. So when you have come to power 2, automatically you can go for what? Mode 5 and then 3. When you go for mode 5 and 3, A equals 1, B equals negative 4, C is equal to 5. If you give in the calculator, you will get x equals 2 plus I and x equals minus 2 minus I. So I got it from the calculator, this one. Whenever power 2 is there, directly you can use the calculator. But power 3, you have to do the steps. Steps is what? Synthetic division. Right. Let me go to the question now. So let us write first zeros. Zeros means what? A solution. Another English word is solution. What are they? The first one I got x equals minus 1. Next I got x equals 2 plus I. Next I got what? X equals 2 minus I. These are all called word solutions. Look at the question. List all the zeros. What do you mean by list? Suppose your mother says, just go to the shop and buy tomatoes, milk and sugar and everything. That's called list. So we are going to list it. What are the solutions list? Minus 1, 2 plus I, 2 minus I. Okay, right. Now, what do you mean by the next? What is the next question? The next question is product of linear factors. So factors you write in the product manner. Clear everybody? Right. So now we are going to write the factors. If this is a solution, what is your factor? Your factors is x plus 1. If this is solution, what is your factor? Take this side minus 2. Take this side minus I. Okay. And what is the factor? X equals minus 2. Okay. And this comes here plus I. Clear everybody? Right. Yes. So now it is already in product. Product means what? Multiply. So this is zeros. This is product of factors. This is what? Product of factors. How do you say linear factors? Yes, of course, x power is what? 1. So we call it as product of linear factors. Clear everybody? Right. I think this finishes your exercise 3.4. So this finishes your exercise 3.4, right? If you really found this video helpful, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you and bye-bye.